Yo, what is good, y'all boys? We took 2 trades today. We lost on NVIDIA, and we did win a little bit and then got stopped out above break even up here. I didn't stop out right at break even right here because I really was confident that we're going to reject, and we didn't end up rejecting. So what does that mean? That we went L on the day. We are down on the day. We took a little L ski, which is not a problem. I'm going to go over the L on NVIDIA because we took an L on the day, so I'll go over NVIDIA. So on the 4-hour time frame right here, we were super bullish. Like if I go in replay mode like today, this is what we were looking like. We had a 4-hour high, and then what happened to price? How do I play? Bang. We had a 4-hour high. Wait, why is this not working? Sorry about that. Okay, well, in the beginning of the day, we were coming up to this 4-hour high right here. So all of these highs were getting swept. We were getting swept. And then right here, I saw a big break of structure to the downside. So I saw sweeping these pre-market highs out, hourly highs, and a 4-hour high. And then I saw a boom, a big impulse move. So I was like, okay, this looks like we could potentially break to the downside. Like, you know what I mean? We see a huge impulse move to the downside. I saw the retest in the fair value gap, entered on that a little down here. I think it was on the 1-minute time frame right here. I did enter. I think it was right here I entered. Came down a little bit, and then boom, stopped us out with this, consolidated, and then boom, our bias was wrong. We ended up continuing to the upside, and I thought we were going to reject in this area only because, like I said, we were inside of a 4-hour fair value gap. We were sweeping out a high right here. Also, the 5 and the 15-minute, well, the 15-minute actually didn't even break. The 5-minute did, though. So the 5-minute came down here, broke to the downside. I should have been looking at this 15-minute candle because the 15-minute candle closed all the way up here. So, like, realistically, if I'm looking at it, we broke structure to the upside on the 15 and then closed back up here. We didn't close down here. I should have looked at that instead of just saying, okay, we broke structure on the 5-minute. That looked good, but as soon as we came up, I should have looked at the 15-minute time frame and saw that this candle right here closed all the way up there. So that's exactly what I did wrong today. Nobody's perfect. Nobody makes perfect trades. Everyone makes mistakes. We are down on the day. What's SPY doing? Yeah, SPY's just consolidating. We made a little bit of money. Got stopped out. SPY's just dookie price action today, to be honest. But yeah, NVIDIA trade. Bias was wrong. Entered around this area right here. Got stopped out, and our bias was wrong. What I could have done was looked at that 15-minute candle, as well as I should have saw that we tapped into this bullish fair value gap after breaking structure to the upside, and I did see the break of structure immediately right here. So it's as simple as like, yo, my bias was just wrong. That's about it. Today was still like, look, it wasn't really the best day. It was a little chop. So when I entered my trade, it wasn't the best confluences. I didn't get the best risk to reward, but we took a small loss on the day. Remember, it's all about risk management and keeping those losses very miniature. And obviously, as you continue to do this, as you continue to take losses or take W's, you're just learning, right? It's a whole entire process, and that's why I love trading, because the process is it's long, it's hard, it's stressful, but in the long run, it gives you fucking financial freedom, right? And that's what we all do this for. We all do this to live a crazy life in the future, to live in freedom, and basically to do whatever we want when we want. So you will never get that if you don't learn from these trades. So if you're the type of person where you lose one trade or you have 1 month losing and you quit, remember, if you quit, you'll never be able to make it. You'll never get to the spot that you want to get to if you quit, because quitters quit and there's no chance now. If you quit, there's like a 0% chance. Quitting means that you're just settling for average. You're settling. You're settling down, you're comfortable with losing, you're fine. But the people that lose and say, fuck this, I want to see exactly why I lost, and I don't like taking L's, I don't want this. I don't like L's, I don't like losses, I don't like fucking losing, bro. Them types of people with that mindset will continue to lose, and will learn so fucking much to the point where you can't lose forever if you're learning, right? You can't lose forever. So for the people that have a losing month, or maybe you're down on the year or down on the day, or bro, what are you going to do? Have a negative mindset and be sad for the rest of the day? Or are you going to understand that trading has losses a part of it? There's a part of trading where you got to take losses to learn. There's a part of life where you're going to go through trials and tribulations to do better in the future. So what are you going to do? Are you going to be sad and quit and settle? Or will you tell yourself, I won't settle for average, I could never be regular, and I'm going to fucking get back. You know what I mean? I'm going to get my get back on this shit. I'm going to learn. I'm going to study. I'm going to fucking do it until it works. That's like shooting free throws every day for 30 fucking years and missing every single day after that. You're going to be pretty good, bro. And this is different. It's not going to take you a bunch of fucking years. It'll take 2 to 3 to 4, maybe 5 years max. Look how old you are. You're telling me that you're not okay with losing for 3 years to being a millionaire for the rest of your life? Bro, that's how it is, realistically. Say you get profitable in a year or two. You sacrifice 2 years of your life to be rich and financially free forever and ever and ever. Or these next 2 years, you keep fucking around, you keep quitting, you keep lying to yourself, you keep promising yourself you're going to do something and don't do it. You keep fucking around, partying, hanging out with losers, and then the rest of your life is shitty because you wasted your time. These 2 years fucking around. When if you would have just locked in and actually took action and sacrificed these years, you'd be at the spot you want to be at, man. So, we took a loss on the day. Like I said, I'm not sad. I don't give a fuck. I'm about to go to the gym, and now I'm about to do like 50 extra push-ups today just because I lost. You know what I mean? I'm going to fucking go through the pain. I like pain. Pain is good. On the other side of pain is pleasure. Get through the pain, work hard as fuck, and continue to be better every single day. And you'll reach your goals, guys. We lost today on NVIDIA. I'm updating you guys on the account challenge on Twitter every single day. Follow me. It's literally just Jonnyoptions with a Z. Simple as that. Go follow me right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Deuces.